Huge round of applause for gorgeous Janvi Kapoor, please. Janvi, tell us a little bit about your journey as the newest Airbnb host.
Firstly, I'd like to say good afternoon to everyone and thank you so much for that lovely introduction. It feels great to be welcomed into the family with so much love and warmth. And I mean, who doesn't know Airbnb? We've all used it. It's such an iconic facility that's emerged in the past couple of years that we've all been privy to, that we've all used and enjoyed. And I think it's an honor to be a host, to share with so many people this property that means so much to me and my family. And I think to make good use of it, and it's in the hands of people that we trust so much, like Airbnb.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, can we just have a huge round of applause for Janvi? She's had a super busy schedule, but she made it just for us. So thank you, Janvi. I'm going to request you to join us for a fireside chat. I have some really fun questions for you. And Aman, can you also join us here, please? I want to make sure I ask you all the tough questions. So please. Thank you.
You know, one of the best coastal homes that I've ever seen in India, and I'm sure guests across the world are wanting to kind of book it as soon as possible. But I think what makes it even special are some of the memories that are inside the house and that people would get access to when they get welcomed by Janvi. You know, just understanding each corner may have a picture from their family book, and that picture would bring back more memories. So it's everything that's in the house that makes the experience much more magical. It's not about Janvi the superstar there, it's about Janvi the person. And I think that makes it extremely unique, and that's what is unprecedented access and unique access that people want to have, people want to know, people want to get inspired from. And I think this is a great opportunity for people to do that when they spend time with Janvi in the home. So it would lead to many conversations and hopefully a lot more inspiration for whosoever goes there to reach similar heights like you.
Wow, that's amazing. And that's so true. I think as much as I love Janvi, the actress and the Bollywood diva, it just is so amazing to interact with her as a family member and just get to know her. And I'm sure the guests who would get to go to her home are going to really enjoy the experience. Janvi, tell us, where are you going to travel next on Airbnb? Any of the icons that we revealed that excites you?
I really want to go to the Up House. I mean, New Mexico was actually one of the first places I traveled to as a kid. I think I was only a couple of months old when Dad took us there for the shoot of his film Pukar. And that was the last time I went, and I haven't been since, so I've always wanted to go. And it's the Up House, of course I want to go.
Wow. Hopefully, we'll make that happen. But I know Janvi has a lot going on already, so I wish we make that happen really soon. And on that note, I'm going to actually open up the stage to all of you for questions. We'll unfortunately have to keep it really short because Janvi has like a really packed schedule. She has some amazing movies coming up, as we all know. So she has a lot going on. But yeah, we're going to open it up for some questions.
100%. I think we've made a lot of great memories there, so I definitely think there's a very positive energy in the house. And so many times I've seen the most beautiful sunsets in that house. Like, I'm not lying, the sky, there's a gazebo, I don't know if they showed it to you in the video.
They did.
That overlooks the beach, and the sky has literally turned like blue and pink and purple so many times, and you just sit in that gazebo and it's beautiful. And I remember we've spent a lot of mom's birthdays there, my birthday, dad's birthday. In fact, towards the end of it, we couldn't really spend as much time there because we had to refurbish the house, and so mom was thinking of doing a lot of things. She wanted to make it a hotel, and she wanted to, and that's why I think the fact that Airbnb came into our lives was, I mean, I think it was always part of a plan. And then Dad redid the whole house after she passed, and then we went back after a couple of years, and of course we were all dealing with all of it still at that point. But I remember when we went back after Papa did up the whole house again, redid it, as an ode to Mom, I remember he kept saying, I need to do it for her, I need to do it for her. And then when he did up the whole house, and I think we brought in his birthday there, and it was the first time I think he tried celebrating his birthday after she passed. I have this vivid memory that after 2-3 years, it was the first time I saw my dad allowing himself to start enjoying himself again, or to like start feeling happy again. And I think that is one of my most vivid memories in this house as well, because I think I saw my dad trying to come back to himself a little bit after this tragedy, and I think all of the amazing memories that we've had in that house encouraged him and allowed him to do that. So yeah, I definitely think it's got a good energy.
Thank you for sharing that. Like, I feel so grateful you're sharing that with us. Thank you.
Thanks.
Hi. Hi, Janvi. Hi, Aman. Just a question, Aman, to you on the icons. So this year, how many icons are we going to see on the platform, especially coming from India? And the second is also about how do you incentivize partnerships with icons now? I just want to understand this from the perspective of a traveler again. Yeah,
So this is the first time we have launched this category. It's a new category, right? And to have India as part of the global launch in the first 11 icons is a big play for us. And I'm extremely excited, you know, in terms of what we just shared. We will not have more to share as of now, but what I can say is there are a lot of surprises in offer. So stay tuned. As I said, these are some of the most extraordinary experiences by one of the greatest icons across multiple genres: sports, arts, cinema, it's music, etc. And so we have a lot in pipeline. So I will not comment if there is something coming from India very soon or not, but that's the beauty, right? Go download the app, go look at the icons section every week, and you will see what is coming on live. And what I can promise you is there'll be new icons that will be dropping onto the app, frequently. And so there is a lot on offer. In terms of your second question, in terms of partnerships, right now our focus is on bringing unprecedented access to some of the things that people just have that in their imagination, right? So we are very open in terms of just looking at what speaks to the cultural conversation, what speaks to the audience, what are people really looking to experience, and making it real on Airbnb. So we'll not get into what collaborations, partnerships, or setups that we have, but what we know is that we want to create the most unprecedented experiences available in real life for community, the Airbnb community.
इधर ही रुको आरके भाई साथ में हाथ नीचे लेना यार चारों के साथ में भाई थोड़ा सा राइट भाई फोटो दे रहे साथ में चार लोग प्लीज साथ में फोटो दे रहे साथ में दे आलिया मैम एनटीआर करण सर ये दोनों साथ में
आने के लिए जगह छोड़ो गाइस प्लीज थोड़ा आने के लिए जगह छोड़ो गाइस प्लीज गाइस लेट देम ऋतिक सर क्या बात ऋतिक सर